Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Reventon and this is by UCC, and it is mentioned as number one. I think this is also from a different set, I guess. Okay, let's open and see how this one looks and from which set is this one. Okay, this also here says 50th anniversary edition. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so it says 50th anniversary edition, but I'm not sure if someone actually opened this. And yeah, see, you can see the numbering here is different and the numbering here is different, right? So maybe the person who sold it to me might have opened this one too, just to see how this one looks, I guess. So this is actually not from the 50th anniversary edition series. This one is from the just the premium collection series. Yeah. So let me just put this in. Okay, I forgot to remove this. Okay, okay guys, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, okay, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and with that paint job, it is this glittery black paint job. It is not too glittery, but it is very little bit subtle, you can say. And it has acrylic headlights, which is awesome. Logo placement is good. It is a bit messed up, but it's okay, I guess. And I personally like the headlights here because I don't have any Reventon in this particular 1:64 or around that scale with acrylic headlights. So everything is just painted out. So the tail lights is also like it is made of acrylics, which is really nice. Let me just try to put some light here. Okay, the exhaust detail looks really nice. Okay, the grill and all, it is embossed, it is not just painted on. Okay, the entire body is metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has some kind of details, and the tires are made of rubber. So the rims are actually unique to this specific casting. I mean, as you see in the actual car, this is specific to this particular car. So I know for a fact because I do have a Reventon in Rastar, which is, I'm not talking about the remote control ones. I'm talking about the one is to, I think, 36 ones. I do have that. I'm keeping that for past 2 years. I didn't even unbox it yet. Surely I will be unboxing that someday. So you can see in this casting clearly that it doesn't have any interior, but I really don't worry about that one because they did a phenomenal job on the entire exterior. When it comes to the headlights, tail lights, the paint job. So even though the paint job is a little bit, like, uh, like it has some kind of rashes and all in this this roof here, and it has some scratches here. So I don't know how many days it is sitting in the same place, but rest of the things, as you can see here, they did an amazing job. So I really wanted a Reventon which is small enough to keep it inside something and not large enough to have space issues. This one is perfect for that. Okay, let's see if it fits the track. No. Okay, let's put it here and try to do a roll test. It rolls really nice. The front wheel wobbles a little bit, but still it rolls really nice. So anyway, we are not going to play with it, and this is supposed to be a like decorative model. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.